Sunday morning in Naples, Florida, and I decided to take the boardwalk near the hotel to see if I could spot any interesting birds in this beautiful spot. I can hear them. And so far, I've seen none, and I've heard one, which is a big surprise because it seems so lush here. I just can't imagine why it's not loaded with birds. It shows me how blessed we are to have so many birds near our home in Wilmington, North Carolina. Now I'm looking east. You can hear the tram coming from my right, taking people from the beach back to the hotel, I suppose. Look at this beautiful water, this beautiful area. So this is a public beach, but guests of the Naples Grand Resort are entitled to use these cabanas and umbrellas. All you need to do is show the little bracelet. So continuing on my pan north, here's the bracelet. And a lady was kind enough to tell me that if I go there and hang a right, I can see some birds. And there is a very large brown pelican. Looks like the egret's coming to visit him. This is about as close as I dare get to this pelican, lest he fly away. I don't know if the video is going to show it, but there are millions of tiny little fish swimming by me. They look like minnows. This must be why the birds come here to feed on these little guys. I have not been able to see that bird that's making that sound. Or I haven't been able to see the one that just made that sound. There's an osprey right above me, thanks to the young man who pointed it out. Well, here I had to walk through pretty icky mud to get here, but at least I can see this egret. You really gotta want to be here. Look at that guy. Well, I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I've taken my shoes off. I've come from that direction. As you can see, I'm able to walk a little closer to my egret friend. I think it's an egret. Where are you? There you are. We're walking along. Ah! Come on, guy, you can get it. He didn't like me coming that close. And so the story continues. I'm going to leave my friend behind. My shoes are way back there. There goes my friend. Well, I've gone as far as I'm going to go because the water is over my knees and I can't see my feet, so I don't know what kind of creepy crawlers might be in there. So I turned around and now I'm heading back to hopefully find my sneakers. Well, I'm happy to say, what in the... That looks like you can't see it on the video most likely, but that looks like a giant garfish, 18 inches long. It keeps scaring the heck out of me because they jump. Anyway, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I'm happy that I'm back here before the tide came in and washed my sneakers away. Here you can see as I point toward the creek that I wore my sneakers going that way, getting them all muddy, and decided to take them off. So then coming back, I'm in my bare feet. Well, I have returned to the hotel from my walk in the mangrove swamp to see birds, and I just now noticed this. I had not seen that prior to my walk. Had I seen the sign, I might not have done what I did.